Come join us as we go RVing, cruising, and visiting Disney. Welcome to Retired Life Ollie Style.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Retired Life Ollie Style. I'm Everett.
I'm Dawn. Buongiorno.
Alright, guys, we just want to come to you quickly and kind of give you an update on what's been going on. We have not put up any content in quite some time because we've been kind of busy, or I should say Dawn's been kind of busy working up in Charleston.
Yeah, so I had a couple of clients in Charleston that started in May, mid-May, and it took me all the way through September. So that was the whole summer. Pretty much. And I worked all summer long, overnight, so I was very tired. And we had 1 week in between that we were able to escape and go away. And you guys, we did a short on that. So you guys would have seen that we went to Michigan real quick and then bounced back. So, but now we are preparing for the most exciting thing, cruising.
Yes. Our channel, we advertise it as a travel channel, cruising, Disney, and RVing. Well, we've done a lot of RVing. Yeah. We've done a lot of Disney, and we had booked a cruise, but tell them what happened.
So I booked a cruise in 2019 for us to sail in 2020. And right before our sail date, as you guys know, the whole world shut down. So it kept getting pushed back, and finally we are set to go in about, oh gosh, I can't even tell you.
About 20 days.
About 20 days, we're out. So, so excited.
Yeah. So it's cool. So we're getting ready for this big trip, and we decided to step up our equipment game a little bit, which Dawn is not really into tech. I'm a little bit more into tech than she is, but both of us decided to go ahead and step up the game. Now, currently we use GoPros. We both bought GoPro Hero 7 Blacks, and with just using the microphone that's on board on those cameras. Now we have stepped it up to, we purchased the DJI Pocket 2. Pause. Yeah, I know, it's not a new camera. We're late to the party, as we generally are in the tech game, but the new Pocket 3 is coming out, the rumors are November. We're going in September. I didn't want to wait because it wouldn't do us any good, so I purchased the Pocket 2 now for our big trip to Italy and our big cruise. We also have stepped up our sound game. So you see me wearing two microphones. I have the DJI wireless mic that is attached to the Pocket 2 camera, and the other mic is a lavalier mic, and that is attached to the GoPro. You also see Dawn has on the lavalier mic as well, which is attached to the GoPro. So hopefully our sound quality comes out a little bit better. We can actually move and walk away from the cameras and still hear what we're saying and what we're talking about. We don't have to be right on top of the camera. So that's just a little bit of tech info.
All right, enough tech talk. Let's get to the good stuff. We are going to Rome, and then we are going to be taking a Mediterranean cruise through the Greek islands.
10 days, 9 nights.
So good. So we bought a lot of things. We bought a tracking device. What is it called?
Apple AirTag.
An Apple AirTag. You guys probably know about it, but again, we haven't been traveling like that with suitcases because of the pandemic. So we finally got one, and if you don't know what they are, you can track your own luggage. So we put it in the suitcase. We'll show you a picture of it, and you can find out whether your luggage was left at the airport or shipped to a different airport. So you can find your own things in real time rather than waiting for the airlines to locate it in case it gets lost. Right. And that's huge.
Yeah. So that's another, oh, Dawn, you talked about tech stuff.
Well.
All right, so yeah, so that's just some of the stuff. We just wanted to come to you and kind of give you guys an update about why we haven't really put up any more content, but content's going to be coming. I don't know if I'll be able to do it while we're overseas, but we're going to put up our prepping for Italy. One of the things we did prep for was coffee. So as you guys may or may not know, Italy is big on coffee. I'm a big coffee guy. Dawn, she can take it or leave it, but Italy is big on expresso and cappuccinos.
Cappuccino.
So Dawn's never had a cappuccino. So the weekend prior, we went to a local coffee shop to get a cappuccino. No, I'm sorry, take that back. It's not really local. Went to a Starbucks to get cappuccino.
Yeah.
And, well, it's a chain. So
okay.
It's not really local.
True.
But, so we're going to show you how Dawn liked cappuccino. I've had cappuccinos before. Then the following weekend, the next weekend, we went to a local coffee shop and we got an espresso. Now, I've had espressos, but okay, I'm not going to explain it. Let's get over to the segment. Let's see how Dawn liked the cappuccino, and let's see how both of us like the espresso.
Arrivederci.
So we'll see you there.
All right, so we are at Starbucks today, and we are getting Dawn's very first cappuccino. She's never had one before. We are preparing ourselves to go to Italy and have cappuccino and espresso. So, Dawn?
Hey, yeah, so I'm not a big coffee drinker. I can take it or leave it. Everyone's a bigger coffee drinker than I am. So whenever I get coffee, I just get a light, sweet, small, and that's it. So this is my first time getting a specialty coffee, so we'll see. Take my first sip. Okay, so it's frothy. Try it. I had to match sugar to mine. It tastes like watery coffee. I don't know. Taste yours and you tell me. It's not bad.
Okay, I'm gonna taste mine. Coffee with the foamy milk. I need sweetener though. I failed to tell them to put sweetener in mine, so I got to get some sweetener. But I've had cappuccinos before, and it's just coffee with frothy milk.
It's okay. I mean, you know, I'm assuming the Italian coffee is probably a little stronger. But, yeah, so we'll see. Not bad, though. I can drink it. Not bad.
Okay, people. So the consensus is Dawn likes the cappuccinos. So when we get to that Rome, that Italy, cappuccinos for everyone.
So, yeah, I do like it. It's lighter than coffee for me. So it's, you know, it's good. I like it, I have to say. So now the next time Everett asks me what do I want when he goes into Starbucks, I'm going to say cappuccino, and I did it with 5 shots. Or what is it called? 5 squirts.
5 the liquid sugars.
The liquid sugars. So, because I like it sweet. Remember, I don't really like the taste of coffee too much. So, it was good. Next time I'm going to try almond milk froth, though. I think you can do that.
Okay.
So, all right. Let you know. On to Italy I go.
Our next stop, the next day, we went to a local coffee shop to try the expressos after having the cappuccinos at our local Starbucks. The espressos were a little bit strong for the both of us, although I like strong coffee. It was just a little bit too strong for our taste.
So, yeah, what'd you guys think?
So,
Was not fond of the espresso at all. It was like chewing on raw coffee beans. It was so bitter. And as you know, if I have coffee, I like it sweet, almost like hot chocolate. So the cappuccino I could deal with. But in Italy, you cannot have or should not ask for a cappuccino after 11 a.m. The Italians will laugh at you. They'll make fun of you.
they'll know you're a tourist.
And they'll know you're a tourist. I mean, not that, you know,
We're going to look like tourists anyway.
Right, but that's the one thing. It's a no-no in Italy is to ask for a cappuccino after 11 a.m. So everyone drinks espressos. I'm not a fan.
I mean, I can do an espresso. I like strong coffee, but at our local coffee shop, it was really strong. I mean, really, really, really. So it was almost like thick, like mud.
It was like tar.
Yeah.
I mean,
cappuccinos, delicious.
yeah,
absolutely delicious.
I mean, doable. You like coffee, but
Right.
doable. So, listen, down below as always. Please tell us your thoughts. If you like cappuccino or espresso, if you've been to Italy, you have any tips for us, or you like learning about what we're doing, please let us know. Thank you to our new subscribers. We have not forgotten about you. We just did not have a chance to jump in and say welcome and thank you. And as always, our tried and true Ollie Traveler fam, thank you for being here.
Ollie Traveler fam.
Yeah.
Oh, real quick. I know Dawn doesn't want me to get into tech talk, so it's going to be real quick. I am shooting on 2 cameras. The GoPro is our main camera right now, and if you see me kind of looking to my right, your left, that's because I'm also shooting with the DJI Pocket 2. I'm trying to practice with this because it's different. It's a gimbal camera, and I've never really used the gimbal camera before, so you have to get used to the movements and it moving and following you, and you have to be in the right modes. A couple of times when we, oh, yeah, okay, so.
What?
No, that's for another segment. I'll cut that out.
I have no idea where he's going with that. So.
All right, so that's it. Anything else?
No, I just want to say, again, welcome. Thank you for, hanging out with us. We know it's been a long draw, waiting for us to catch up and bring on some videos. But from this point on, I think you guys are going to be excited as we are. We've got some great footage coming up. So stick with us. Stay tuned. On to the next one.
And now, see? We haven't done this for so long, I forgot our parts. That's her part.
And now it's time for us to
get to getting.
Get to getting.
See y'all.
See y'all soon.
See you, everybody.
Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
And please ring that bell so you know when new content
Hold on tight, found what we're looking for in life.